Oh, it's a going. Say hello.
Who are you talking to?
Your mom.
Oh, nice. I have to go move you.
Move me? Nah.
Actually, I might already have.
You little bitch face.
Just look.
Let's just go look.
Let's just look and
Mo.
I should change. Nah, because then people will call me that.
Nope.
Oh, well, I'll have to.
Nah.
Aww.
Oh, look, it's Brandon McClick.
Oh, look, it's the cutie patootie.
Cute patootie.
He has a crazy crush on someone, and I want to know who. Maybe.
Who's your crazy crush? Who's your
Oh, you said it.
Who's your crazy crush?
Good.
Back your feelings for so. And if you feel
Oh, you
like I feel, baby, come on. Oh, come on. Who wants to be my girlfriend? Oh my goodness, he wants a girlfriend. Go for him.
I hope my
Just go
daddy's
for
not
him.
sleeping.
Just go for him.
Human.
I gotta do Kilman.
Oh, just Emily.
That's okay. That's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
We'll just get us.
We'll just get it.
Does it get us? Oh, it gets your breath.
We'll just sit closer to my
Okay.
Okay.
It was just a funny comment.
Actually, it was bulleted. Bulleted.
Scribbleboard.
Oh, I was gonna eat that.
I'm too huge. I'm Hannah Perrin.
Board slide. Oh, look who that is.
Neat. We're not gonna say her name.
We're not gonna say it. We're gonna leave that person.
Hannah Perrin.
Hannah Perrin. She got rid of her video.
Oh my god. A B C D E F G H A N N A H.
The way you wind it, girl.
I love the way you wind it, girl. Hey, she got rid of her tattoo picture. It was so cute.
And her brat picture.
Oh my god. Oh, her brat. I thought you said brat. Funny. That's funny shit.
Nah. It's actually
Neat.
dumb.
I wonder who's even getting us.
Probably not.
This is what we look like in the morning when we wake up.
Even though it's 5 o'clock at night.
Even though it's 5 o'clock at night.
And it's raining out. It's all rainy. Gross. It's raining. It's raining. Let's go in the rain, Jocelyn. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, it's freezing. Let's just leave it sitting right there.
Molly.
Shoot. Molly, go out.
It smells so good.
It's raining. Strut your stuff, pose side to side. We'll have a little runway. Wait, we'll set it down here. Okay, ready? Ready, go. Is there underwear or no underwear? I don't know. Ready? Do your catwalk. Oh, there you go. Okay, ready? Strut your stuff. Strut my stuff. Are you walking over? My feet are frozen.
Mine are too. Let's go inside.
Okay.